Child Trust Fund in UK. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to withdraw money from Child Trust Fund in UK. So let's get started. First, access at 18. The child can withdraw money from their CTF only after turning 18. At that point, they gain full control of the account and can either withdraw funds or transfer them into an IHC bank account or other investment. Before 18, parents or contributors cannot access the money early under normal circumstances. There are some exemptions, for example, terminal illness. If the child is terminally ill, the registered contact, usually a parent or guardian, can apply to HMRC for early access with medical evidence required. Avoid scams. Be cautious. Companies claiming they can help you withdraw early, especially no-win, no-fee ones, are often fraudulent. Find a lost CTF. If the child does not know where their CTF is held, they can use the government.uk website, and here just click on Find a Lost Child Trust Fund and fill out their online form. Remember, only the child can withdraw the money at age 18 or earlier with HMRC approval due to terminal illness. And that's how you will be able to withdraw money from Child Trust Fund in UK.